Hello friends, today I am talking about how to fix Optimum DVR not playing recorded shows. Solution 1. Check internet connection. From the Optimum Stream home screen, navigate to settings, choose the option labeled network and internet, select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Follow any on-screen prompts to verify that your device is connected to the internet. After confirming the connection, try using the Optimum TV app or accessing recorded shows again to see if the issue persists. Solution 2. Check the power and connection. Ensure that DVR is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Look for any indicator lights on the device. Confirm that all cables, power, HDMI, coaxial are securely connected to both the DVR and the TV. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input source. Example HDMI 1, HDMI 2, corresponding to where the DVR is connected. Solution 3. Reboot your DVR. Disconnect the power cord from the back of the DVR or from the wall outlet. Leave the DVR unplugged for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This allows any residual power to discharge and clears temporary glitches. Reconnect the power cord to the DVR and ensure it is securely plugged into the outlet. Solution 4. Access your recorded source. On your remote control, press the DVR button to access the recorded list. Use the arrow buttons to highlight the show you want to watch. Press SEL, select to display options for highlighted recording. Highlight play and press SEL again to start watching your selected show. Solution 5. Check for software updates. Press the select button on your remote to bring up the main menu. Use the arrow buttons to scroll to settings and press select. Look for an option labeled about or system update in the settings menu. Follow the on-screen instruction to check for available software updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. After the update is installed, you may need to restart your DVR for the changes to take effect. Solution 6. Clear cache and data for streaming devices. From the Optimum Stream home screen, press the home button on your remote, scroll down and select settings. Choose the app option from the setting menu. Locate and select the Optimum TV app from the list of installed applications. Select Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing issues. If problem persists, go back and select Clear Data. Confirm your choice as this will remove all app settings and require you to log in again. Solution 7. Contact Optimum Customer Support. If the above solution none of the works, then you can Optimum Customer Support for further assistance and call at 1-866-200-7273 for assistance with various issues including billing and technical support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe.